Hi guys, my name is Mercy and today I'm going to show you the best way to cook a potato. Potato is a very healthy starch and it's a vegetable. So if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. Consider to like, subscribe because I'll be posting recipes like this every week. So we are starting with the potatoes. I'm using 2 potatoes. 2 of them is about 1 kg. So I'm going to peel the back of the potato nicely. After peeling all of them, I'll go ahead and wash it. This potato is rich in fiber, it is rich in vitamin C, it is rich in thiamine, and all of these vitamins and minerals are very good for the body. So it is advisable to eat as much potato as you can. And not just only eating potato, try to eat it with some other vegetables. So after cutting the potato, I went ahead and washed it. Then I set it aside. I'm using some onion. I'm using some bell pepper. And I'm going to use 1 Scotch Bonnet pepper. So I'll put everything together, add a little bit of water. And I'll go ahead and blend it because I'll be using this paste to cook this sweet potato. So please, if you're already liking this video, kindly click the top up button. So after blending, I'll put some vegetable oil in a pan. Then I'll chop some onion and put into the pan and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After frying it, I will go ahead to dumping the blended pepper, onion and ginger into the pot. Then I also fry it for some time. So after frying it again, I'm going to fry it for about 2, 3, 4 minutes. At this point, the water has already dried. Then I add some fresh water, about 300 to 400 ml. Cover it and let it boil before putting the potatoes. After the water has boiled, I'll go ahead and pick up my potatoes to put in it. But before then, I'm adding some seasoning. 1 seasoning cube. I'm adding salt to taste. Then I'm adding 2 spoons of ground crayfish. Right now, I'm putting the potato inside the boiled water and pepper, seasoning, oil, onion. Then I'll make sure that the water is touching as much of the potatoes as possible. So after leveling everything down, then I'll cover it. Now I'll pick up my spinach, wash it very well, and give it a rough chop. So I'm adding this vegetable to it to make this sweet potato to be more nutritious. So now the potato is almost cooked. In fact, it's cooked, and the sauce, the water, everything blending together with the vegetable is just perfect for this recipe. So I'm going ahead to dump in the vegetable in there. Then I'll give it a quick stir. I'm not going to boil it again. Once I finish stirring it, I'm going to take it out of the heat because the heat in the pot will also continue to cook the spinach, and I don't want it to be overcooked. And here is our lovely sweet potato. This is the best way to cook sweet potato. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you again next week.